Hi, my name is Owen Fallows and welcome to the Jands Vista training video. Today I'll show you some basic features of the desk that make it easy to use and unique. In the top left hand corner of the screen there are various menus: patch, console, fixture chooser, timeline, playback and fixture output. Now from the patch screen you'll notice the fixture window on the right, where you can search for different fixtures by their name or model number, and you can left click and drag to assign the DMX address. Multiple fixtures can be added by adjusting the quantity and then dragging the fixture into place. If you right click on the fixtures you can also strike them or douse them. In this case we want to delete fixtures. So if we go to the fixture chooser menu, you'll notice the panel on the right is where you can select your intensity, position, colour, gobo and beam. So if we select a fixture from the main window, bring up the intensity, select a colour and gobo and so on. You can also rearrange your fixtures in the centre window to mimic your lighting rig. Now there are 6 buttons on the top of the screen that correspond to the buttons on the lighting desk, like release, update, live. So if we press clear, that will clear the current state of the fixture in use. You can also select multiple fixtures of the same type, and on the desk you can bring up the intensity, colour, gobo and beam and so on. And the current state can be cleared by the button at the top. Another feature of this desk is pre-programming groups, palettes and effects, making programming more efficient. The groups can be arranged by fixture types. Presets can be recorded by their different attributes such as position and colour. Effects can also be selected from the pre-created menu. By selecting groups, you can select your presets and your effects. To create a new queue list, go to the panel, right click Create New Queue List, go to Components, Open Queue List, double click on the list you want to bring up the queue list window. To add a new queue, go to the plus button, select the fixtures you want, select their attributes, colour, intensity, right click on the queue, set follow mode, and go to the Store All button at the top of the screen. This will save the current queue list. You only need to press Store All once for the first queue, and then each time you add another queue it will save your progress. We can then select the attributes for our second queue, effects and presets, and you can set timings for each queue. If you go to the release button at the top of the screen, that will clear the current state. We can now go to play at the top left of the screen, or the button on the desk, and this will play our queue stack. If we now go to the timeline menu, this is where queues can be viewed in timeline mode, and different attributes and timings can be changed with a more visual approach to editing. If we play back the queue stack, you'll notice that the first queue now runs much quicker. It's been great to talk to you, and thank you for watching.